So I'm going to make a pouch. I'm going to make 2 pouches. All right, I've got half an hour before I've got to leave. What time is it? You know what I'm saying? I've got to get up out of here. I'm going to use this. This is a offcut. So I'm going to use this as an offcut to actually help make the pouches. And then I'm going to put my logo somewhere. And it's to hold these things. Made some more of these bird boxes. So I just want to actually give it away. So I'm going to put a pouch, make it as a pouch, as a gift. That will be there. Then I'll have like D-rings at the side, a little thing there, and maybe my patch there just to say Goodstart. And I think that will be it. Yeah, but I think a pouch to hold this, and it's big enough to hold some snacks because it's going to go for 2 boys. So yeah, I think they'll enjoy it. Let's do it. Already did it. There you go. Cut that there. It's already started. I've just got to get it right there, and then do 1 label there and there. Do I need a label? Probably not. The label's only going to get dirty. So let's remove the label. We don't want the label. Label is going to get dirty. So let's just do it without. But it does look kind of finished with the label though. It does. Let's keep the labels. All right, let's do this. Okay, I didn't match the thread at all this time. I'm just going to just top stitch in black. Okay, well, we have it. Boom. Top stitched, done. So that's top stitch sewn. Now, just to add a finishing touch, I'm going to put a label on. I'm just going to match the thread with it, and that will be done. So yeah, I think we just need these on. So just finishing touches, put these labels on. It just says Goodstart Jones. So, alright, not bad. Second one done. I think that's not bad. I had to actually frame it to make sure. Put some tailor chalk around it to make sure it's straight, not bent. But like, yeah, it's all good, man. That looks good. I'm liking it. It's getting there. Just gotta put that one here. There we go. I think it's looking good. You know what I mean? So far I've got like 15 minutes done and we got the panels all up. Just gotta put the D-rings on and I think I'm good. Okay, we've done it, finished it. As you can see, that is the bag. Okay, I just put like some what they call it, handles on, but yeah, I think this one didn't turn out too good. I made a mistake, so I put like webbing around it. But other than that, that's fine. But this one's my favorite. This one is better. What can I do within like what, half an hour? So that's it. That's the bags. Not bad. I did the back, so that's okay. So they turned out all right. You know, it does work out quite well. There they are. That's a little pack. What do you call it? It's a birdhouse. So yeah, you know what I mean? I made some more. So yeah, that will do. Very nice. Oh gosh, I can't even put it. I'm holding my phone, so I can't put it back in, but you know, you get the gist. Anyway, so a nice little Velcro bag, a little pack with shoulder straps. So, you know, they can actually multitask. Just need to actually steam off the tailor's chalk, and I think they're ready to go. Not bad little gifts, really. For 30 minutes, 15 minutes each. Yeah, I think it went well.